First, let's start with the presentation, then we will further move on to the working code or our prototype of our application. So our title is Greenworks with a tagline for a better tomorrow. So our problem statement is management of waste that end up being in the wasteland or untreated that further contaminates the environment. Here is a further proof how big of problem waste management is, described in a news article by Hindustan Times. Garbage mountain at Delhi's Ghazipur landfill to rise higher than Taj Mahal by 2020. Here are some statistics about the urban population of India that provides around 62 million tons of municipal solid waste each year, of which only 70% is collected, and further to worsen the situation, only 20% is treated, that is around 20 million tons, and the further is left untreated, which is around 50 million tons. There are the stakeholders in our project, each one plays its vital role. Customers use the platform to place the waste collection request. Municipality employ or customer services officer who place waste collection request on customer's behalf. Inspector who is responsible for visiting assigned sites to perform the inspections. Contractors who were responsible for the waste collection and management operation. Police who can perform the legal formalities assigned to them. Admin who manages waste management system. Existing solutions for waste management are landfills. Here is an image showing a dumping ground, which certainly does not look good for the people or the environment. Our present scenario. So the present scenario, in the transaction, no transfer fees is required, which eventually means more to the customer. No paperwork is required, which will save paper and further be good for environment. It is end-to-end encryption transfer by blockchain. So no worries about any data loss, data theft, any type of loss of funds. We will store all the data in blockchain because our data safety is priority. So we proposed a solution to develop a secure system from any type of fraud or data theft. Every stakeholder will be registered through their official government ID, so we can cut the loops holes further down, and the only admin with or some higher authority will power to manage. The user registered on the platform and their authorization manage waste management services, handle payment gateways and fines. How is our solution is unique from other solutions? We would be providing waste to the needy rather than letting it be filled to land and contaminate its surrounding. Our portal will connect local buyers to local sellers or the nearest sellers. It would eventually be more cost effective. This would be better solution rather than just covering up the dumping fields by lush green grass and more permanent solution. Now we I will ex, now I will explain you the prototype application of our project. It works on Remix platform. Here is our file. Code is written in the Solidity language. It will automatically compile because autocompile is started. Now we have to deploy the contract. Here is option of deploy. Here is contract is deployed successfully. Green tick. Here is our deploy contract. Here we can get some details or fill some details. Here we can insert details, fund transfer details, update our details, withdrawing details, withdraw funds, customer buyers count, get buyers, detail of a buyer, get funds, validate a buyer is genuine or a fake. First start inserting a detail. Here is the address. Here we have to paste a unique address where we can every time a new person get a new address. Here we can new address and add a address, name, product, price, phone number, transact. Our data is filled successfully. We can see that our data string 1, product, matter, price. Here we can transfer the funds. Here the updating the details where we can put our unique address, string name, product, method and transact. Here our details is updated. Here we withdraw the funds. So for withdraw funds, first we have to write the amount 100 rupees because we have 100 here. For buyer address, unique address, we have to paste our unique address here, transact. Here our fund is withdrawn. Count buyer. Here is only one buyer or a seller, so count is 1. Get buyers. Buyer unique address. Buyer details. We have to paste unique address of a buyer. Call, so it can show my details all. Here is buyer is genuine or seller is genuine. We have to write its unique address. We can cross check it. So call, so it is true. So this buyer is genuine or a seller is genuine. Thank you guys. This is my project and thank you guys for support.